So this video is to show you how the model that we're going to make in class is going to work in case you are absent on the day that we're making them. Okay, so what we have here is we have two different pieces, and we've colored the inner piece, or the part that's inserted, a couple of different colors, and you'll also notice that it has these black and white stripes on it. Okay, now this model is to represent seafloor spreading. So what we've learned about is that the crust on the ocean floor comes up new from the mid-ocean ridge, and then it pushes the older crust outward until it reaches something that is less dense than it, and then the more dense material is going to subduct back down into the mantle. Okay, so this represents it by, as we pull on these two outer edges, the new crust, the new ocean material is rising out of the mid-ocean ridge. And you can also see, if I move over a little bit, how the older stuff then is subducting down back into the earth. Okay, so it's a really simple model to show like what's actually a pretty complex process. So then there's going to be questions that go along with this on Google Classroom that are going to ask you questions about, like, what does the center area represent? What part of the earth? And then what process is happening over here at the slits that we talked about where it's going back down into the earth? What's the name of that process? Some other questions that you're going to be asked are, why are there different colors? What are the different colors representing? And we had learned about some new discoveries on the ocean floor. So this is one of those new discoveries. And then the black alternating bands are also a different type of discovery, and it's representing something that helped us learn a lot about the ocean floor. And then last question is going to ask you, if you were to put a continent onto this model, where would you put it? So kind of think of it as like, would you put it near the slit in the middle? Would you put it alongside of the moving ocean floor? Would you put it on the end over here? Would you put it on the moving pieces? And then why? Okay.